I will explain again what does it mean. Tensile means, see, actually this is sign convention and methods for Mohr circle. Quickly we can revise. Tensile means if the member is given like this and tensile force is acting on the member, then you take positive. If compressive is acting, then you take negative. And if shear is positive, it means what? For this plane, if shear force is like this, then it will take clockwise effect, so positive. If shear force is like this, then it will take anti-clockwise effect, then negative. Then angle will be doubled, means if this angle is 90 degrees, so it will look 180 degree in Mohr circle. Suppose this is a plane, this plane is at 60 degree, so this plane will this angle will double in Mohr circle. Okay, so that's all. These are smart tricks. Plane will be a point. That's all we have seen already. So copy the same turn from member to Mohr circle. It means what? In the member, if you are taking turn like this, it means this is anti-clockwise turn from this plane to this plane. So in same way you will draw in Mohr circle also, and you will run on the circumference. You will walk on the circumference. Okay. Now we will take one question, and everyone will solve the numerical. So we will take a totally different question, and then we will see some special cases about Mohr circle. So first we solve one question. This is the member, and this is acting as 40 megapascal, and this is acting as 50 megapascal, and this is acting at like this 20 megapascal. Now in this we are considering an oblique plane, or you can say inclined plane. So suppose the inclined plane is like this, and now I am giving you this angle as 30 degree. Your job is to find out sigma n with value and sign, tau theta with value and sign, and after finding out sigma n and tau theta, you have to choose which diagram is correct. I will give the name. Yes, okay Vedant, you complete the name. Everyone follow the same naming. A, B, C, D. Very good. Okay, everyone follow the same naming. I forgot to give. Fine. Now you have to choose which option is correct. So the plane DB I am drawing 4 times, and you have to give. Okay, take PQ also. Oh yeah, sorry, it is plane PQ. Yeah, everyone please correct, that plane is PQ. I just missed, I thought it is DB. So take as Q and P here, Q and P here. Everyone solve the numerical and tick which option is correct. I will just develop the option now. QP. Sigma n will be like this, and tau will be like this. Based on your answer, you have to tick the option. Okay, sigma n will be like this, and tau theta will be like this. Then sigma n will be like this, and tau theta will be like this. Then sigma n will be like this, and tau theta will be like this. Now first you find out this sigma n and tau theta using Mohr circle. You have to find out, okay, not using formula, and then tick which option is correct.